Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross, back in the building, and right now I have another watch unboxing, and Invicta watch unboxing. So let's just jump into it right quick. You know what I mean? Alright. Let's see what's in this baby. Ooh. Venom. Man. Let's get into this. Let's take off this plastic. Get all this shit up off of here. Yeah, if you don't know, the Venom is probably my favorite watch from Invicta. I like the size, I like the weight on them. Yeah, there we go. 52mm Venom. Black dial, black unidirectional rotating bezel. Look at that. Ooh, that sound nice. Venom stamp on the back, Invicta. Yeah, this thing is raw and uncut right here. Yeah, look at the buckle on that piece. That is so nice. Drenched in 18 karat gold. Chronograph. Check out the function pushers. Has a screw down crown. Let's go ahead and set the time on this piece right quick. Let's see, it's 9. Almost 10 o'clock. We'll just set it for 10 o'clock.
Daddy.
Then, if you press that one, second hand should start rotating. And the other one stops it. But yeah, that's it. 52mm Venom. It's on the polyurethane strap. Is there any plastic on the front of this? No, I don't think it is. Okay, yeah, but yeah, this is it, y'all. This is the shit right here. I love this watch from Invicta. We're gonna go ahead and try him on the wrist right quick. Hold on. All right, and there it is, good folks, on the wrist. Ain't that beautiful? Look at that. Take a close look at that. That's how it looks on the wrist. Polyurethane strap. Look at that clasp buckle. Very, very comfortable on the wrist too. You know what I'm saying? It's like I feel like the Venom is just curved just right for my shit. You understand what I'm saying? But yo, this your boy P. Ross. Watch lovers, especially Invicta lovers, holla at your boy. I'm out. Purple Underground for life. Peace.